Let's see how you can easily generate more leads for your text business using a simple Instagram DM automation. So here I'm in a demo account and we have already connected the Instagram right here. So here when it comes to Instagram, there are different trigger points. For example, when someone actually comments on your Instagram reels or post, you can actually trigger an automation and send them a message through the Instagram comments automation. And also you can also trigger automation when someone actually reply to your stories as well. Apart from that, if they send a direct DM on Instagram, you can also use AI to handle those responses. Otherwise, you can also use keyword based automation to trigger specific automation flows. So here this is about the tax business. So here we have a sample Instagram flow for the VIP list sign up. So let me open this particular flow and show you. This is the flow for the IG VIP list sign up. So it says, hey there, you are ahead of the crowd, want to be the part of the first batch of IRS accepted returns and qualify for a cash advance up to 7,500. Join our VIP list for priority service this year, and the first 500 people also get the free credit repair as well. So it's some sort of offers for them to get it through the Instagram comments, or you can also set up Instagram stories or direct DMs as well. So here we have two buttons, yes add me or maybe later. So if they choose yes add me, then we will simply ask them to fill out a specific form. Please fill out this quick VIP list sign up form for the priority service and free credit repair, and we provide them a button with the link to the form. So you can actually create these forms through Jotform, Typeform or other online software as well. So this is just a sample form right there. And here we also send them a follow-up message in 20 seconds asking them, as soon as they fill out this form, please tap the done button as well. So it's just a follow-up message, push them to fill out the form as soon as possible. And here if they tap on this done button, this is actually connected with this message saying, awesome, you are obviously on the list, got any questions, I'm here to help. And here we add the tag VIP list as well. So if you want to track or assign the conversation to those who ever fill out the form, you can also add specific inbox actions as well. For example, actions inbox, assign the conversation to the specific agents or admins you like. For example, Henry Allen. So as soon as they fill out the form and say they have actually filled it out, then this conversation will be assigned to this particular person as well. Suppose if they don't fill out the form, we actually will wait for 23 hours. So when it comes to Instagram, you can send any sort of follow-up messages within 24-hour window. So that's why we set up the 23 hours over here from the last customer's message. So we wait 23 hours and check whether they have actually tapped on this done button saying they have filled out the form. If not, that means they haven't filled out the form yet. We send another message saying, quick reminder, did you fill out the form, and push them to get the form link again, or they can also say yes, I fill out as well. So here in their chat they have the option to tap the join VIP list again after they see this message and fill out the form. Otherwise they can also tap on get form link again, and we provide the form link once again right here. And again the same follow-up message, wait 20 seconds and ask them to fill out or tap the done button as soon as they fill out as well. So this is a very simple chatbot flow right here. So let me make sure this is published as well. Alright, it's published. And now let me go to the marketing tools and activate the comments automation for this specific chatbot flow. And another important thing is that this is actually built as omnichannel. So this can simply work on all other supported channels right here. For example, Facebook, even website and other channels too. So let's focus on the Instagram comments automation. And let me create a new one. And let me say tax leads VIP. So you can put any name you like over here, and here you can track comments on all posts. So we always recommend to choose this option because this can simply work on your past posts and also the future ones as well, so you don't need to set up automations again and again as well. And the private reply to comment will be the flow which we have right here, which is called as IG VIP list sign up. Let's choose the flow IG VIP list sign up, and public reply to comment. You can say send your DM and DM sent. You can also use a flow and use the free template to add a AI comment reply as well instead of these predefined replies. So if I show you, if we go to the flow section, all free templates, comments automation, and here AI comment replies. So you can actually set this AI comment replies with your own business information, and from there it will simply respond to any comments over there. You have to choose the flow, but here just use the predefined replies over here, and here you have to set the specific keyword. So instead of triggering this for all comments, let's set up the keyword which says VIP. So only if they comment as VIP, the automation will get triggered. And here you have other options too. So you can also delay this if you want. Let's choose immediately and click save. Alright, and make sure this is active before you test as well. Alright, this is active as well. So now let me share my phone screen over here. So demo chat media is connected over there, and you can actually choose any reel or post as you like, because we choose all post. So let me open this reel over here and add the comment VIP, and let's see what happens over here. So here I added the comment as VIP, and here it says send your DM. So now if I go to the DMs, we should see the DM right here. So this is the message, the exact message we set up, and let me say yes, add me. So from here it will simply say or send us the form link to sign up. So it shows the typing emoji as well. Perfect. Just fill out this quick form to join our VIP list. So here it also shows the typing animation, because we have a 20 seconds delay, and then we will send another message saying after you fill out the form, tap the done button. So let me tap on this join VIP list form, and here they have to simply enter all these details in this specific form and click submit right there. And here we already received the specific follow-up message as well. Once you have filled out, tap the done button as well. So let me say I have filled out, tap done button. So now it should say awesome, you are officially on the list. You got any questions, just let me know. So it says it sent the confirmation message as well. So now if you go to the inbox or unified inbox, you should track all this conversation happened. Go to the inbox, and here this is from the Instagram, and as you can see here it's assigned to an agent as well, Henry Allen, as they tapped on this done button. So here you can check all these chats happened right here, and from here you can even send any sort of messages as you like as well. So that's a quick video on how you can easily generate more leads for your tax business. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Thank you.